We're at Crave tonight, Tarouba, between San Fernando and Marabella. It's a la carte night. The last time I was here, we did the buffet, and that would have been a Thursday night. That specialty of the night that night was Italian, and there was a lot of live stations. Oh, beautiful view, man! But tonight is a la carte. I believe on Sundays they have an awesome. Brunch menu. So if you're in the area, and from what I saw the last time, it was very good. The Italian food affair was really nice. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I don't want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. So Ravi, you were telling me that you have a specific menu for the carnival season when it comes to cocktails, and tonight you're going to show us how to do the
Dr. Mashup.
Dr. Mashup
For you here. Right, so first we start off with a little bit of ice. So it has amaretto. Then we do spice rum.
Okay. So we got amaretto, spice rum, and first off in the shaker you got some Hennessy.
We add Hennessy.
Nice.
So we add a little half ounce of lime juice. And just 1.5 ounce of passion.
Passion and lime juice.
So we give this a shake.
Precision.
There you go.
It's charred, right?
Yep.
We're just putting the finishing touches here and like it hot. So you like it hot. Another tribute to the carnival season. And I guess this is served in, that's a martini glass, right?
Correct.
Beautiful color in it. Yes, and you are correct in assuming this is a chow. And if you don't know what chow is, it's sort of a spicy pickle we enjoy down here in the Southern Caribbean, especially in Trinidad and Tobago. Now, I can't reveal the master bartender's secrets, but it is quite interesting going. Anything to say there? Just let the drink speak for itself, right?
Alright, Chris, so here we have the so long.
So long, Nadia Batson.
Yes, of course. So it consists of, we have Maya's dark rum, passion fruit, lime juice, and it's topped off with asti, sparkling wine. Right, it's really smooth, it's really delicious. And for how long we here, so we present this to you.
Okay. Now, quick question. With the sparkling wine in there, do you find that it's something that the ladies like more?
Yes, they
They
love
do,
it.
right?
Yeah.
And we've got
The
what,
sparkling wine is a bit on the sweet side as well too, so women like sweet stuff.
Yeah.
It's absolutely perfect for them.
I'm getting into trouble with the sweet stuff thing here in this island, to be honest with you. And I guess you charred off the pineapple there as well, right?
Yes.
So we got the menus here, but what I did was I asked the lovely Tamika here to help me with what she would use, what she would do, and she started off. What she mentioned is steak for sure, and right now the sort of discussion we're having is why wine versus rum. And now you guys know I'm a rum person as well, so we're gonna go over here.
I'm saying something like a rum zacapa
There you go.
with your steak as opposed to the more traditional choice, which is wine. We already jumped on the box. You 3 cocktails in.
We
What
deep.
red wine
We
you
deep.
talking
Yes.
about? What red wine you talking
So
about?
how about if we're gonna go rum? How about we try something a little more with what happens to
Oh, you repping? You repping?
Look at that.
Bone.
Yes.
She looking for bonus check from Angostura, boy.
I would suggest, let's say, what's a good one? 1990?
But I say you upselling. I say you going with a 1787 or something. I listen, man.
Nice.
Okay, that's a really good choice. 1787.
Thank you, man.
Nice. Tamika, so I will take your advice under consideration. I'll take a quick look at the menu here. So give me a couple minutes and we'll jump on that, all right?
Okay, and
Thank you so much. Nice.
The other cheat here is you can have everything from a vegan dish to a tomahawk at steak night here.
Wow.
Because understanding market.
Oh, friends, here's the thing. I am one of those people who I get really upset when you go to a steakhouse and somebody's asking for a vegan dish, but what I'm being told is that we cater to everybody. So if you want to, please, let's let them know about that.
Okay, so what happens is you come to steak night at Crave and you are vegan, you can get something to eat. You eat fish only, you could get something to eat.
Yeah.
But of course, if you eat steak, it's your night.
Nice. So you hear that? While Chris would still hit them the loud stoops. If you're coming for steak, eat a steak. But vegans, we got you covered as well too. And what I'm liking is this menu here. It's $5.95 per couple. And I'm gonna slowly go through the menu here with you guys. So it comes with an appetizer, main course, and a choice of 3 sides. That's a bargain. Just the ambience alone at this place here is well worth more than that. Starting off with a sushi roll, and it's a smoked eel, right? Smoked eel. It's quite interesting. And as usual, we come with the florets of butter and an assortment of rolls here. And I'm joined tonight by 2 lovely ladies. Dinner companions for the night. So I'm gonna go in and try this baby here now. My bacon wrapped scallops have arrived. A thing of beauty on the plate so far. I'm gonna go in now. It's visual first and then the salivary glands are kind of causing me some problems here, so I'm going to go in with that. Here are the crab cakes by the escargot on a crostini, I believe. And what did we have over here?
This is smoked salmon cheesecake.
Smoked salmon cheesecake. So my cowboy is here, done medium, smells delicious with the garlic mash, some gravy over there, and the plantains with the cinnamon and brown sugar, right? And again, the presentation is on point.
The man literally put us, he called his driver, but his driver was late. He put us in a taxi. He paid the driver everything. I think that amenity was in a good way. Meaning he literally walked out to the taxi stand with us, put us in the taxi, tell the taxi man where we going.
Just gonna go say bye. It was a pleasure. I will see you again soon, hopefully. Them drinks, man, on point. Link me up. Ariane, take it easy. And my guy from last year, the man himself, Mojito King. I'm putting you on blast again. I'm heading out. We'll talk again soon.
Definitely will.
Yeah, if you see me on the road, you're on the road on Carnival?
Tribe.
Tribe?
What is it?
Your neighbor, I think I with Passion. We usually do Tribe, but this year we're going with Passion. I don't know, man. I just following rules,
I know you're a man of class, eh? Next year.
Alright, take it easy, yeah? And then I just want to show you guys something quickly. Try not to be too intrusive, but you see the bag that you're seeing there? So I've got all my to-go here, but the to-go came with homework. And the homework is assembling the dessert when I get home, so it's going to be quite interesting.
I want to see the picture.
The picture?
Yes.
You might see a picture of me sleeping, because a meal like that, you're going home to sleep, right?